Let's make lip gloss. We want to start by adding our lip gloss base to our mixing cup. Then we're going to take a scoop of mica powder to add to the base. We recommend anywhere from 2 to 4 scoops. The more scoops you add, the deeper the pigmentation. Then we're going to add our oil base, which is going to be 5 milliliters. Our pipette is 3 milliliters, so we fill it up with 3, add another 2, and add it to our mixture. Once we get the oil in, we want to stir it, and we want to really stir it well to avoid any clumps or streaks. Once we continue to stir and the lip gloss becomes the consistency that we're looking for, and we can just check that by lifting up our stir and to check the consistency. And if that's the consistency you want to test it on your back of your hand to make sure that it's the right color match as well as the right consistency. Once you stir it very well, then we want to take our tip bag, our funnel tip bag. And this is an opportunity for collaboration. This may be a chance to have someone else to actually hold the tip bag while you insert or pour in your lip gloss base. You want to make sure you fill the lip gloss funnel bag with the lip gloss base mixture and put as much of it in there as possible. You really want to get into that mixing cup extremely well. And once you do that, you want to start massaging with your hand to bring the mixture down to the funnel. Once you bring it down to the end of the funnel, all of it, you want to make sure you get in as much of it as possible in the end. And of course, if you make a mess, this is a good time to use a wipe. You want to use your wipe to keep your hands clean. We want to continue to bring it down, and gently bring that down, by the way. We do not want to separate the pipette from your funnel tip bag. Once you do that, insert into the bottom as far as it will go, and gently gently squeeze into the lip gloss tube. And as you do that, you want to kind of swirl your tube around and swirl, press and press until you get this lip gloss tube filled. This is one of the most challenging parts of making your lip gloss, actually getting the lip gloss into the bottom of the tube. And this is no YouTube trickery. This is actually what's going to happen while you're doing this. We're showing you all the challenges live. This is a real challenge. So this is a time, as I mentioned, for collaboration with the partner to actually hold your tube while you gently take your time. It's very important to take your time and just make sure that all of your lip gloss mixture is going into the tube. You want to kind of spin as you go so it doesn't clog up in the inside of the tube. And you're going to do that until it gets to about 3/4 of the top. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top because you have to insert a stopper. And once you get it about 3/4 to the top, you want to ease it out to keep those edges at the top as clean as possible. Take your stopper. The stopper can be kind of hard, by the way, so you want to really press. See what I mean? Press until it's popped. Then take the top, put it in, and of course seal it off. And there you have it.